Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Personalization, then Taskbar. Once there, click Taskbar Corner Overflow to reveal running system icons. This is where Windows decides what shows. Toggle the Windows security entry off to remove the shield from the visible taskbar area. You do this because the corner overflow controls visibility, not the app itself. After turning it off, make sure to check the Hidden Icons menu. This change immediately hides the icon without disabling security features. Once done with the taskbar overflow, open the Windows Security app from start so you control what pushes an icon back. Navigate to Settings, then Notifications. Here you can turn off the specific notification types that trigger the icon or disable app notifications entirely if you prefer. You do this because persistent notifications can re-show the icon. By silencing them, you prevent automatic reappearance while keeping background protection active. Make sure to save or confirm changes before closing the app. To finalize, restart File Explorer from Task Manager or sign out and back in. This forces the taskbar to refresh and apply your visibility changes. Once done, inspect both the visible icons and the corner overflow to confirm the Windows Security Shield is gone. If the icon persists, check Group Policy Settings or restart the Windows Security Service. These can override your personal settings. As a key troubleshooting tip, restarting Explorer usually fixes stale icon states, so try that before deeper changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.